In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to change your Instagram password. Changing your password is important for keeping your account secure and safe from unauthorized access. It's easy to do and only takes a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap and select the Accounts Center. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and tap Password and Security. And then tap Change Password. Tap and select your Instagram account. All you have to do next is enter your current Instagram password over here. And then enter the new password over here. Retype that new password over here to confirm it. Once you've done that, tap on the Change Password button to save changes and change your Instagram password. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.